Hi guys, I'm coming back to you with a two product reviews. The first one is a facial product. It is the Cucumber Cooling Peel Off Face Mask. Now, in another video, I did the Cucumber eye pads, and now I like anything cucumber. I love the smell of it. I love the feel of it, and it's really good stuff to use on your skin, on your hair, whatever. I just love anything cucumber. So here it is. Now I did purchase these at the Dollar Tree. So they have them at the Dollar General, and I think I'm not sure about the Family Dollar. I'm pretty sure they have them at Walmart, but I got this at the Dollar Tree. And you can put it in the refrigerator or you can use it just as is. I didn't put it in the refrigerator, I just used it. And what I did was put it on before I got in the shower. Now, this mask is a tightening mask, so when you put it on, you can use your fingers or I wouldn't use a cotton swab because it'll probably get stuck, but you can probably use like a plastic or a rubber glove to apply it, but it's not really messy, so I would just use my fingers. That's what I use. So you just squeeze it out of the package, apply it over your whole face. Like I even applied it down to here, all the way down to here, and covered my whole face. Close your eyes and cover it. Now, like I said, it's a tightening mask, so when you put it on your face, it's gonna tighten up really, really firmly. It's gonna make you feel like you just got like plastic surgery. I don't know how it feels to have plastic surgery, but I'm assuming I hear people get Botox and plastic surgery and stuff. That's what I'm trying to say, Botox. People say it feels like you can't move your face, so that's probably what it's gonna feel like. So um, I closed my eyes and it took me a minute to kind of open them because it was so tight. But I did it. I got in the shower and I took my mask off while I was in the shower. So you can leave it on. I think it took like, I used the whole pack. So maybe like 15 to 20 minutes or more is how long it will take to get it like really firm and tight on your face. So I do give this product a thumbs up, and I really do like it. And I would recommend probably using this with the cucumber eye mask. Um, so this is a great product to go along with that. So this is it. This is what the package looks like. So this is, like I said, it's zero point 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters, and clarifies and refreshing skin. It says from normal to combination uh, type skin. So you might want to check and see what kind of skin you have or how long you can leave it on your skin. I don't want to tell you anything that's going to harm your face or your skin. So it's a peel off face mask. So there's the first product. And now the second product is a hair product. And this is a beginnings and beginnings in by Hask, and this is the nourishing coconut oil conditioning treatment hair mask, and it's I like it. I use a half a pack of this, not even a half. It's probably enough in here for maybe 3 or 4 times. Well, for me, because my hair under this wig, my hair is really, really short because I cut it all off and it's going back. So it's really short. So that's what this looks like in this pack. And this came from the Dollar Tree as well. And when I put it on, I just used my fingers and applied it over my whole hair. I haven't had a perm in, I don't know, decades. So I can't even remember what it feel like to have a perm. So, um, but you apply it, I guess, like a perm, like just apply it over your whole head That's what I did. I just took my fingers and just slapped it over my whole head. So it didn't take a lot because, like I said, my hair is really short. But if you have long hair or whatever, you probably will use the whole pack. So you do apply this over your whole head, your hair, and your scalp. So I really liked it because when I got out the shower, I once again I did this at the same time that I did this product. So I put this on. When I put this on, I applied it and I left it on there. I let it sit for a while, and then when I washed it out in the shower, this is a wash off mask. You do, it's not leave in. You do wash this off. So when I got out the shower, after washing it off, I just put my regular. Um, I used, what did I use? My regular stuff on my hair um, that I use, and wrap my head. I put a wrap over my head and went to sleep. And that was it. And I really liked it. It made my hair feel really good. When I got out the shower, I was like, wow, it did something different to my hair. It didn't even seem like it was like the same hair on my head. So, because my hair is really, really soft and like very fine, and it curls up really easy. Like, I'm a black girl with some Indian in me, but my hair is like I don't know if it's Puerto Rican or Mexican or some kind of hair that I have. I don't know what kind of hair I get, but it's not black folks' hair. So it it doesn't. I want my hair to nap up and kink up so it will be thicker. My hair is not thick enough, and that's why I try to put something on it to help it grow out more and faster, so it will become thicker. But I don't know if it's gonna do that because it just doesn't for me. But anyway, that our coconut oil is supposed to be really good for your hair, and I've said that before. So I have got a few coconut oil products that I'm gonna try. And I don't like switching products on my hair a lot, but um, since I since they say coconut oil is really good, I do recommend this because I really like the way it made my hair feel when I get out the shower. So this right here for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I mean, if you grab a few of these and do this like once a week, um, I highly recommend it, and I think it's a great product. So now I am a hairstylist. Did go to cosmetology school, but um, you might want to check depending on your hair type and everything. Go read the package, read the back of the package, and see if it's a good product for you. If it agrees with the other products that you're using on your hair and everything. Like I said, I don't want to tell anybody anything wrong. Everything that I review is my personal opinion and how I feel and what it has done for me. Not speaking on anybody else or from anybody else's opinion but mine. So that is it. And like I said, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Hit the notification bell at the bottom to get updates, and you'll be notified of when I have more videos coming, which is often. Try to put out videos. If I could, I probably would do one every day, but I can't. So I try to get, sometimes I'll sit down and do quite a few videos in one day, like I am now. Put out 3 tonight so far. And so you might, sometimes you'll see me with the same outfit on, and then you'll see me with it on 2 or 3 days later in a video, but it's from the same day. And so that's what I'm trying to do, is get a few videos out at a time. And so that's it. So thanks for watching.